Simplify your children's feeding with ENOF, essential nutrients from organic FODS. Hello, amazing moms. This video is for you, who face the challenge of providing a healthy and balanced diet for your children every day. I'm Teresa, and today we're going to talk about ENOF, essential nutrients from organic FODS, which is not a supplement, but it is a concentrated food powder, made from highly selected organic vegetables. And I know that many of you have gone through countless attempts to get your children to eat well, but still haven't seen the results you want. Maybe your kids are picky or simply resist anything other than pizza or chicken nuggets. And that's not your fault. The good news is that we are not here to make empty promises or judge your children's food, because ENOF is a real solution for mothers who face these daily struggles. This product was developed to make feeding your children easier, even if they are the pickiest eaters. And it's not about turning your children into instant gourmets, but rather about expanding the food options they accept. Pizza and nuggets are still on the list, but now with a health twist. You just give it 3 shakes or sprinkle the powder and it will be easily absorbed into anything you and your family eat or drink and is virtually unnoticeable. ENOF is perfect for anyone, adult or child, who currently doesn't eat enough vegetables, pretty much everyone. ENOF is made up of a blend of natural foods, including tomatoes, shiitake mushrooms, spinach, beet, carrots, broccoli, designed to provide your kids with the nutrition they need, even when life is busy and healthy foods are scarce. And it's made in the United States using only organic produce grown in the United States. Simplify the daily struggle around food. With ENOF, you will be closer to providing a more balanced diet without the arguments and tantrums. And don't just believe me, I'll leave here 2 of the many real testimonials for you to understand about the results and experiences of this powdered food. Testimonial 1. Food has always been a struggle with my son. With ENOF, it's no longer a war, but a peaceful negotiation. Testimonial 2. If my son eats something healthy now, it's thanks to ENOF. I was almost giving up, but this product made everything easier. And I know the struggle to provide a healthy diet for your children can be exhausting. This food is not an answer to every problem, but it is a realistic solution for mothers who face challenges feeding their children. And a full 30-day money-back guarantee that protects your investment for 1 month from the date of purchase. Request your ENOF, and you can select the package you are most interested in. 1 month supply, containing 1 container. Package for 3 month supply. 3 containers plus free shipping depending on your region. 6 month supply. 6 containers plus free shipping depending on your region, and plus free ebook. Find more information about prices, shipping and delivery time through the blue link set in the description below. And this link will take you straight to the official Simply ENOF page, so you can purchase the original powder and not end up on illegal websites. And try it today and make your reality a little easier. Limited time offer. And this purchase is 100% safe. Purchase privacy protected. Don't forget to like, share this video with other moms who can relate, and subscribe for more tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember that you are not alone on this royal journey of motherhood.